Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. Do you struggle with manoeuvring in tight spaces? Well, if you do, front and rear parking sensors are for you. So this brand new Jazz behind me here in this lovely shade of blue has come straight through from our local Honda dealership. Brand new one, straight to us because it needed front and rear parking sensors, and they wanted the most original looking sensors possible to go in keeping with this vehicle really. So what we've got on the front and back is a brand Vodafone automotive sensors, which are in our opinion the best available sensors on the market. These are what they look like. They're about the size of a 5p piece, and they're completely flush with line with the bumper, so no surrounding bezels. There's 4 sensors, 1, 2, 3, 4. We get the official paint in mixed up, we get them colour coded to the car so they blend in absolutely beautifully. Now if they're the rear ones, if you come around to the front, you can have a look. We've also installed them on the front as well. Okay, now the fronts are a bit different layout. They have 2 in the colour, and then they have 2 factory fitted ones. Well, I say factory fitted ones. They have the housings already here with blanks in the bottom here, and we've actually installed them in the blanks as you can see right there. So we only have to paint 2 on the front. Now the way sensors work, you put it in reverse, they automatically come on front and back to make it extremely simple and user friendly. If you're pulling forwards into a space and you're not selecting reverse first, then we fit a handy switch on the inside that activates them. Now that is exactly how my own 2016 BMW factory fitted sensors work. So it's no different to how BM sensors work in that essence. Now the switch we fit is right here, extremely easy to get to. We put it in one of the factory blanks. You simply push it for 1, you hear the beep to confirm it comes on, and then when they don't see anything in front of them, this switch will automatically go to a dull orange indicating they have timed out and turned off, just like that. And when I put it in reverse, I'm not sure it should work even though the ignition's off. Yeah, there you go. The front will come on, the rears will come on. You're hearing them beeping now because obviously we're inside the workshop. As you go closer to objects, the beep gets faster and faster, indicating that you're getting closer and closer. Simple as that. Not really much else to say, but extremely handy to have on small cars, large cars, and everything in between. But I'm going to cut it there because that is basically how parking sensors work, and that's how we fit them. Yeah, so as for now, that's me signing off. This is John Cleese Car Audio. My name is Connor, and you can contact us for a similar option on your car. Get a quote on info@johncleese.com. You can send us a message on WhatsApp if you get the number off our www.johncleeseaudio website, or you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube and see loads more examples of installations just like this one. But for now, that's Connor signing off. See you later.